they're gaining on you. 2 armed, 20 meters back.
Yeah, thanks for the update, Nova.
You seek the core? Power like that comes at a cost, boy. The kind you can't pay.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to create an anime-style animation using our ultimate text-to-video prompt generator, Recraft AI, for image generation. We're also going to use Hailuoai, Video Minimax for video generation, and we'll learn how to use the Minimax audio feature to generate voiceovers, audio files, and synchronize them with our generated videos. Let's get started. To do an animation, I'll select the genres, adventure, science fiction, and action. Let's see, ChatGPT will generate the titles. I'll select one of them, and I've decided to go with Rise of Nova. It also gives us different aesthetic options, and we're going to choose anime. Of course, you can add your own aesthetic, but we're choosing anime flat colors as our style. After the log line, it will start writing the character details. Now, it will generate the scene titles. And then start writing the script. This will create the titles for the first scenes and the shot descriptions. Let's see how many shots we have. It looks like it generated the first one. To generate the images, we'll select them, and it appears there's no character in this particular shot. Let's generate more shots for the next sequence. I'll create a few of them. Now, let's go to Recraft AI and start generating our images. We need to select our prompts and the aesthetic. Let me copy all of this. There's no scenario description we need, so I'll keep only the essentials. Now, we go to Recraft AI. I've already done a lot of tests here, so I'll paste my prompt, set the screen widths, and generate the images. If you're using a free account, it will generate 2 images. Remember to select the main model for the image generation and then click Recraft. While that's running, I'll prepare the next prompt. Let's see what we get from Recraft. For the second prompt, I'll paste it here. This one represents a kind of city scene, so I'll click Recraft again and see what comes out. I'll also prepare the next prompt. Okay, I noticed that it didn't quite match the anime style. Looks like I forgot to set that option, but I'll adjust it now. Moving on to the next one, let's copy this and continue. With Recraft, you can also check the size of the image. Sometimes generating small sizes affects quality, so using a larger size helps. Let's see, we have an image of the marketplace. Additionally, these images can be upscaled. If you're not happy with the quality, Recraft allows you to upscale them. Let's do one more and see how it goes. Okay, so in ChatGPT, you can ask it to create prompts in different ways. For example, some prompts may come out very lengthy, and you can request shorter versions. You can simply say, please make it 30% shorter, and ChatGPT will adjust accordingly. Once you have your adjusted prompt, you can copy it and use it elsewhere. Let's say we want to duplicate a prompt and replace some of the content. This process can be quite simple. For example, if I want to upscale an image, I click on it to start the upscaling process. Once it's done, I can copy the original content and compare it with the upscaled version. Now let's move on to downloading and animating images. We have some images ready, and we're going to download them and then use Hailuo AI, Video Minimax to create animations. To download, just select the images and click to save them. Next, we're back at the video generator. We'll upload the images, find the corresponding actions and camera movement from ChatGPT, and copy and paste them here. Let's start by uploading the first image. I believe this is the right one, and I'll copy all the relevant details, making sure to select the new version of the video generator, and then click Create. Let's do another one. We'll find the next image. This one involves a character with a gun. I'll copy the appropriate prompt description and paste it into the video editor. After removing anything unnecessary, we can generate the video. Let's do one more example. This one is not the marketplace scene, so I'll choose a different scenario. I think it's the one with the trader. Let me just make sure I copy it correctly this time. Now that we've done these, I'll also show you how to create a video directly from a prompt. For instance, I'll copy all the details, go to the text-to-video tool, remove anything unnecessary, and add the correct aesthetics before generating it. In the empathy stage, for instance, there's no character yet, just some kind of flying object. In the next scene, it shows Kyle talking to the trader, which looks very good. There are even shadows in the background, adding more depth. We can do a voiceover in this part. I also tried one scene with visitors. All I did was copy and paste the entire prompt from ChatGPT, and as you can see, it looks really cinematic. I repeated the process to generate more images. This next one is an anime style, which also looks great. We also did one with a lot of action gunshots and all. It has a lot of energy, and another one where characters are walking in the street, which adds variety. So maybe the first 2 seconds aren't that great, but the next 4 seconds are fine, so you can use it like that when walking. Remember, with Minimax, you can create, recreate, and repeat the process as much as you want. Each time you will get slightly different animations, so you can choose the best one to use. It's a lot of trial and error to find the best outcome. For example, here's the second image. You can see the gun in his hand while walking. This is a more static shot. If I recreate this, I can completely change the animation. You can also edit the prompts as well. For instance, this was the first attempt, and I digitally removed something, or maybe it had some kind of glow tracker effect. You can edit it from there. Now, let's download all our videos. Once you have downloaded all your videos, you need to import them into CapCut for editing. Before we open CapCut, let's create the voiceovers using Minimax AI's voice option on Hailuo AI. Video. First, click on Audio at the top, and you will see this screen. Here we can generate our own voices or choose from the available list. They offer a variety of different voices, which makes it easy to select one that fits your needs. I created one of my voices which says, "Hello, I'm delighted to assist you with our voice services. All you need to do is click here, name your voice, and upload your voice file. Follow the instructions to ensure your file is about 1 minute long. Then select your options, such as language, and confirm that it's your voice. After that, click Convert, and it will take just a few minutes to generate your voice. You can also generate synthetic voices, and they work just fine. From our story, I am going to copy some of the dialogue text. Here it is shown for Kyle and the other for the trader. Let's do the trader's voice first. I'll just copy his dialogue. Let's see which voice fits. Here's Noah's voice. Let's generate it. We'll wait a few minutes, and here it is. You seek the core? Bah, power like that comes at a cost for you, the kind you can't pay. Sounds great. I'll download this now, and move on to the next voice. Next is the main character's voice. This one should sound younger, so I will switch to a younger tone. Let's find the right one. Here's one. "Hello, I'm delighted to assist you with our voice services. I need to adjust the tone a bit. Let's go with something happy." Alright, here's the final version. Thanks for the update, Nova. Like I didn't notice. Perfect. Let me generate and download this one as well. Now that we have the voices, let's open CapCut and start editing our video. I will create a short clip to demonstrate how it's done. I've downloaded all the animated videos from Hailuo AI, Video Minimax, and imported them here, along with the voiceovers. In this scene, you can hear,
They're gaining on you. 2 armed, 20 meters back.
Yeah, thanks for the update, Nova.
You seek the core? Power like that comes at a cost, boy. The kind you can't pay.
I've also added some background music. What I'm doing now is adding an adjustment layer for some additional editing. I'm increasing the sharpness to enhance the video quality a bit. Let's tweak the colors and maybe apply a LUT that gives a nice look. I like this one, but I'll lower the intensity just a little. As you can see, this clip is about 25 seconds long. I edited out some frames from the Minimax videos that weren't quite right and kept the best parts. This is the first scene. and it's around 25,030 seconds long. We can make about 10 of these scenes, which would be around 5 minutes in total for the entire video. Let's play this to preview. This short demo shows how easily you can create animations using the ultimate text-to-video prompt generator. It writes the story, scenes, shots, script, and prompts for you, allowing for consistent character creation. You can then generate your videos in Minimax. Of course, it takes practice to get the hang of it, but as you can see, it only took about 10 minutes to create this short clip. Afterward, I will also check if I can do some color correction to make it look like an upscaled HD version. Alright, I think that's good, so I will export this now. Remember, we also have a YouTube channel where you can watch more tutorials. Be sure to subscribe if you'd like to learn more about these platforms and how to work with our text-to-video prompt generator. We have many different types of videos explaining the process, and it's really easy to follow along. You can also download free assets from our Patreon by becoming a free member. We're uploading useful content there. Be sure to follow us on X, formerly Twitter, and visit our Facebook page. We have all our links listed on Linktree, so you can easily find them. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.